So this is actual day 2 for me in Las Vegas. We're getting all set up in the Newegg room. So I'm gonna turn this around so you can see. This is the super cool setup that we're gonna be working with. Look at all these computers, all these cool guys doing computer things. Yeah, some sexy gear.
Cool guy.
Cool guy. This guy right here, he's a cool guy. You a cool guy?
An Ethernet cable, I must be fairly.
Joel, tell me, what's the cinematic philosophy behind our coverage for CES this year?
Cinematic philosophy, composition, it's really at you shoot events, you can't really depend on things looking spectacular because there's a lot of people running around, you can't set up lights. So more than anything, it's content coverage. How much content can you get? And then also being able to cover all the holes you need to cover. So if you need to cut something out, you can throw B-roll on top of it and not just make it a talking head video. That's pretty much the philosophy I use when shooting.
Right, because right now all I'm doing is making a talking head video.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You overclock the light?
Yeah, just overclock the light.
You should just overclock it.
Overclock everything.
I think that's just a good life philosophy.
Yeah, overclock light.
How's your life going? Overclock it. I'm getting things done. We're GTD right now. Yeah.
I recently overclocked my lifestyle and things are going pretty well.
Totally. So, I have Wes and Leo.
Leo, yeah.
These guys are going to be making me look good for our first appointment.
Well, we'll do our best. I'm not a miracle worker.
So it's a super secret, top secret meeting.
It is.
Getting like the super secret inside scoop on
Absolutely.
some really cool gear. That it's going to be going up on the Newegg channel.
That's great. It is,
So
and
you
it's
guys
going to be
can
on
check it out.
GameCrate, written up. GameCrate.com. All the new CS stuff is going to get written up there.
You want to check that out? You should.
Yeah.
I mean, you should just anyway.
I wrote it, so you know.
Because he's a good guy. You should throw him a bone.
Yeah.
Did you just get really self-conscious that I'm using the wide-angle lens on your butt?
Well, now I am.
Is that we used to like tie a sweater around your waist in grade school? Is that okay? So, gotta throw a major thank you to this guy because he helped me actually collect some good B-roll there and some good BTS footage.
I hope you like it.
No, I
really hope.
Even if it's not like super pristine, because we're doing this all from the phone, but like, I'm not used to having someone like help, like TK help. He was
Hope
like,
you guys
"Here."
enjoy the poses. There was some funny stuff that I got on there.
Anything that makes me look super dorky is gonna be A-okay for me.
Guaranteed.
So an important part of any CES, if you're media, is hitting a show like PepCom. Now, we actually just did sort of a top 5 video for Newegg, talking about like our favorite things from the floor, some ridiculous stuff like I got to play with the world's first laundry folding robot, which is kind of crazy. It's definitely out there. But then I also got to meet up with the Backtrack crew. Now, this is a video that I did years ago where they had a really interesting Bluetooth breathalyzer. You know, we all want to have a good time, but you want to have a good time safely. They've just revamped the product, made it even smaller. You can have a breathalyzer on your keychain for $50. Maybe one of the things I've been most excited to try and check out, which is awesome. But we're taking off from PepCom. I don't need to yell now because we're not outside the show. I'm gonna go hit coat check. That's day 2 for me, CES. CES hasn't even started yet, and I've already been working for a couple days, so this is really exciting stuff. As always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for all of my CES vlogs, and catch me around the web, SomeGadgetGuy on Twitter and Instagram. I will catch you all on the next video.